Hi guys, so today I'm going to be doing a review on Spies in Disguise and Uncharted. Here's Spies in Disguise. This came in 2019 as a PG. Here's the front, here's the spine, and here's the back here. And it's on for 98 minutes and it's PG. Tales, mild violence, threat, rude humour, parental guidance, and view. Some scenes may be suited for young children. And there's a disc. Here's Uncharted. This came in 2022. It's a 12. Here's the front. Here's the spine. And here's the back here. And it's on for 1 hour and 51 minutes. And it's 12 tales, moderate violence, to 20 plus to 12 years old, not to spy to any press but at age. And there's a disc. So yeah guys, thanks for watching our video. See you in the next video and goodbye.